Congratulations, Carla and Charles. See you soon!
Hi, Charles and Carla. This is Doc Aggie. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you on your wedding. Kahit na hindi ako invited, still, I'm wishing you all the best. God bless your marriage. If you need help with anything or if you have health concerns, just send me a message or drop a DM. Again, congratulations!
Hi, Carla and Charles. Happy wedding sa inyo. We wish you the very best sa inyong buong married life and may have a lot of kids and may you prosper sa inyong journey as well as
Hi Charles and Carla. Congratulations on your wedding day. And I pray for both of you to have a good marriage ahead. And may God bless you with family filled with happiness and joy.
Hello, Carla and Charles. Hindi ko man kayo kilala noon. Hindi din ngayon. Hindi din kahit kailan. Pero, congratulations and best wishes. Woo! Buhay ang bagong kasal!
So yeah, congratulations Carla and Charles. Welcome to the happy marriage. I hope you may extend more patience. Charles, and then sana ang secret to happy marriage is yes, love, you always agree to your wife because happy life is happy wife. Wishing you both a marriage full of love and happiness. Tawanan kahit may kaunting tampuan. Best wishes for the both of you. Congratulations!
Hi Carla and Charles, I know you guys are disappointed or sad na wala ako sa wedding nyo, but please know na lagi kayo kasama sa prayers ko, and I just want to say congratulations and God bless your marriage.
Hello, congratulations on your wedding day, Carla and Charles. I hope you two have a wonderful married life together. Stay strong.
Congratulations! Team Carla, kayong nagawagi! Happy baby!
Congrats Carla and Charles. Good luck with your new life, new chapter.
Hello Carla, Charles. Congratulations ulit sa inyo.
Hello, congratulations to both of you. Best wishes.
Hi Carla and Charles. Congratulations sa bagong kasal. Best wishes.
Thank you! Hi, Charles and Carla. Congratulations! God bless.
Congratulations and best wishes, Team Charla.
Birthday Carla and Charles. Saan dalawa? And birthday. Berta. Ipan.
Congrats!
Para kayo may pinag-uutangan ah.
Yes.
May sound.
Hello Carla and Charles. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa and happy wedding. Good luck sa new chapter ng buhay. Good luck.
Message!
Ang wish ko ay healthy baby and healthy relationship. Or joke lang. Pero ano yun, healthy baby and laging pwede ako sanay sa ganito. Close mo.
Hindi, okay lang yan.
Bloopers tayo.
Okay lang yan. Hindi, alam ko naiyak ka. Gusto mong laret ah.
So ito na nga guys. So gumatawa po kasi yung sa likod. Pero set aside, no?
Baka na-shoot pa tayo.
Healthy baby, healthy relationship. Dahil nandito na tayo na magpapasakal na tayo. Hindi, yung baby is key din sa magandang relationship. And then gusto ko lang is pinaka message ko is congratulations. Yun lang. Okay, sige.
Grabe message mo.
Ano ba message ko sa inyo? Sana, di ba, wait lang.
Iiyak ako.
Naiyak ako! Joke lang. Wish ko sana yung relationship niyo hindi magbago. Maging solid kayo. Pero nasisilaw ako eh. May flashlight.
Ganun talaga.
And I hope healthy yung baby. At sana mag-grow pa yung family.
More
And-
baby.
And sana lagi at lagi kayo magkakampi sa huli. Sana hindi kayo yung unang-unang magkalaban. Sana lagi kayo magkakampi. Ano yung sinasabi sa kasal? For each other. Basta yun!
Sa hirap at ginhawa.
We're so happy for you guys. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. Wish ko sa inyo sana maging happy kayo forever.
May forever!
Yes, may forever sa inyong dalawa rin yung
Huwag akong tutularan.
Ano yun? Yun lang.
Huwag akong hahayaan.
Super happy ako sa inyong dalawa and sa baby. Congrats!
Ayun.
Nice, JP.
Congrats. My turn. Ba't nilas niyo ako? So, sa akin, congrats ulit. Then, siguro naman lahat ng wish namin is para sa inyong dalawa, sa kalagayahan yung dalawa, sa magiging pamilya nyo. We hope the best for the rest of everything. More blessing to come. Huwag yung kakalimutan mag-pray together as always. Make sure na si baby paglabas niya is kayong dalawa mismo yung maging instrumento ng kanyang paglago, not only in his or her path sa buhay, but still kailangan niyang i-priority yung path niya kay Lord. Kayo yung dapat na maglilid sa kanya sa kabutihan. Huwag yung gagayahin yung mga ginagawa ni Marlo minsan. Yun kasi so ayun, congrats.
Importante, put God
Yes.
at the center of your relationship.
Yes. Kahit sa anong hirap, ginhawa, kahit puro hirap, basta kay Lord lang tayo, no? Nebe?
Family is forever.
Yes. Family's love. Again, congrats guys.
Congratulations.
Thanks, guys.
And see you on your wedding.
See you guys. Congratulations and best wishes.
See you sa wedding. Team Charla.
Lalaki ako. Ay, lalaki.
Congratulations.
Hoy!
Yung script. Mali. Ulit. Sabihin niyo muna.
Script muna.
Sabihin muna.
Okay na yan. Para natural. Congrats!
Congrats guys.
Congrats. Boy, ulitin mo. Hindi talaga.
Hindi boy. Okay na yan boy. Boy!
Sana mabusog yung isa ko sa
Ina, congratulations lang. 1, 2, 3, congratulations, Team Chala!
Ay.
Kaya mo yan.
Charles.
Makakawala pa siya.
Mag-iisa pa bang message or lahat yung ano na yan?
Group na lang.
Group na lang.
O gusto nyo mag one by one?
Group na ano eh. Group na lang.
And a one, and a two.
Ano sasabihin?
And a one.
Congratulations. Best wishes. See you sa
Congratulations and best wishes.
wedding. Again.
Long live the king.
1, 2, 3.
Congratulations! Magbilang kayo!
Bilang ka dali.
And a one, and two, and a 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! Best wishes!
See you sa wedding.
Ulit.
Best wishes pala.
Ulit.
Bloopers yan, huwag kang mag-alala. I-record ko na.
Papare-cut-cut mo na lang.
Mukhang madali lang i-cut.
Hi, Charla.